Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install RayTune for distributed hyperparameter search step by step clearly. To install RayTune for distributed hyperparameter search, start by ensuring you have Python installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. It's recommended to use a virtual environment. Create a new virtual environment by running the command python mvenv ray_tune_env. Activate the virtual environment. On Windows, you can activate it using ray_tune_env /scripts/activate. On macOS or Linux, use source ray_tune_env/bin/activate. Next, ensure you have pip updated to the latest version. Run the command pip install upgrade pip. Now, install the Ray package in RayTune. Execute the command pip install ray default RayTune. This will download and install Ray along with the necessary dependencies for RayTune. After the installation is complete, verify the installation. Run Python by typing Python in your terminal. Within the Python shell, import Ray to check for any errors. Type import Ray. If there are no errors, Ray has been successfully installed. Now, you can start utilizing RayTune for your distributed hyperparameter search needs. To test its functionality, create a simple Python script. In your script, import RayTune. Write a basic example that sets up a hyperparameter search space. Ensure to define an objective function to tune. You can run this script within your virtual environment. This confirms that RayTune is functioning correctly on your setup. You are now ready to dive deeper into distributed hyperparameter tuning with RayTune. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.